Are you someone who is overtrading and just cannot stop doing it? In this video, I'm going to dive into my 3-step method to help you stop overtrading and start to grow your trading account. Before I do, guys, don't forget in the description down below, I've got an 8-step method of how to deal with losing trades and how to turn your trading account around and start making consistent profits. So let's dive into the charts. Let's get back into the lesson in the office and we'll dive into how to stop overtrading and start growing the trading account.
Okay, back into the trading room. Let's go through this overtrading and how we can fix it for you. Okay, overtrading is killing your profits and probably killing your trading account. I love trading, guys. I love putting trades on. It gives me all the freedom that I would ever want. I love having trades on, but this isn't about that. This is about doing trades when you didn't need to do trades, making silly mistakes, being profitable, and then suddenly giving it all back because you're just reaching for that dopamine fix and overtrading. Don't forget, there's a video that I've done recently on dopamine and the impact of it in trading. Make sure you watch that after this video, guys. It's had a big impact in the trading world. All right, so let's get into the fix of this overtrading. Some action points here that you could do to make it better. Okay, let's not get away from the point that we all love trading, don't we? And we want to trade to have that freedom. That's the key. But there comes a point here where if we're overtrading, it's killing the account, we need to take some action. So step number 1 here, there's some ideas, guys. Lock in a daily mission and walk away when it's done. Now, this isn't, I have a daily financial target when I trade the markets. But there comes a point where I've got to stop trading. All right. So if I make my day's money, then, and it's 5 minutes into the session, I will continue to trade because I don't have a problem with over trading. You know, if the markets are hot, I want to be trading a hot market. But if you have struggled with over trading, just putting too many trades on, you know, I'm talking 20 trades, 15 trades, just too many day trades as a trader or even a swing trader. I'm talking about you need to have a cutoff point, okay? Set a clear goal for the day. If you're struggling with over trading, set a clear goal that you want to do one quality trade for the day. You want a high probability. We use our pro trading system color method. It might be 20 points on the FTSE, but make it a quality trade. So sit at your screens, take a nice deep breath and say, okay, I want one quality trade. Do all the time frames line up that I'm trading with my strategy with the trend? You know, is it a quality setup here? Is the price stuck in a range? You know, is it trending? You obviously got your own strategy, but you want a quality strategy for the day, okay? Set a clear one target and see if you could do that for 20 days to start with. It's going to be quite painful, I would imagine, to start with, but it will train you to take quality trades, not quantity of trades. Once that mission is complete, exit the market for that session like a pro. Don't hang around. Overtrading creeps in when you're loitering with no purpose. The need for dopamine. Don't forget that video, guys, to watch that after this video. Okay, I'll put it up there so you can click on it. This builds discipline, trust in your strategy. Have a checklist in the morning. Boom, 1, 2, 3. Is this the strategy? If it ticks the boxes in each one, take the trade. All right. So step number 2, trade on a timer, not on a feeling. Most of the best trades don't come from a rush of emotion. They come from rhythm and repetition. They use time blocks to stay sharp. When I'm talking about rhythm here, have you ever been trading the markets, gone away on holiday for a week or so, come back and just felt like, I need to remind myself of the strategy? You haven't got that momentum. You lose that momentum. It happens to everybody. So you want to get into the rhythm and repetition, but there are windows of volatility that you need to use. Okay, so if in London, for me, it's the morning session. I trade the London morning move, 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. in the morning. It's a time block. And I shut down after that. I go out on my bike, or I go for a walk, or I meet someone for lunch, or I go and play some golf. You know, I get away from the screens. And the reason I do that is because the chances of making money in the quiet times, the doldrums, reduce dramatically. All right. That time bound reduces the dopamine seeking behavior, helps you avoid just one more trade I've got to do, and trains you to operate like a sniper, not a machine gun. Think of it like training for a match. Once you've performed, you need to rest and recover. All right. Now, look, there's one other thing. In the description down below, I put a PDF together which talks about 8 reasons why traders lose money and how you can fix it, guys. Don't forget to download in the description after this video. And it's a nice 8-step, reasons why traders lose money. But more importantly, how to fix that losing money syndrome that you might be going through, okay? So think of it like a match. You're performing and then you're recovering. You need to get the energy back into your body and back into your mind. We can only take in as human beings 3 to 5 bits of information at once anyway. But if you overtrade past your timer, which is like 7 till 9 in the morning, you're just trading in the time of the day where the markets are quiet. Your edge may not work as much, okay? The markets will always be there, guys. Make sure you just split the day up into time blocks. Step number 3, reverse the scoreboard. Track trades you didn't take. Look, we're always told to track our numbers, which we do. Relatively easy. We know what our win rate is and our win-loss ratios and stuff, and risk-reward ratios, and we track our data. We may have 70-80% winning trades, but we don't track the quality time, the discipline passes where you got up from your screens and walked away because the market was quiet. Start tracking that. Get a journal and just write down what you did well today. The discipline phases, or the passes I call them. You trade when not to trade. Tick the box. Score yourself out of 10. Did I make my day's money, and then did I walk away? I didn't take the trades that when it was really choppy in the markets. Score yourself out of that. Give yourself a score. Because as I said, we track the trades that our data, the trades we take. We don't track our discipline plays. This flips the reward system and builds identity-based discipline. I'm a trader who only takes premium trade setups. All right, I ignore the other rubbish trade setups and the doldrums. So I have my coaching students highlight 3 great passes. When I talk about passes here, you've seen the theme. This is about football in a way, soccer in America. I was an ex-professional football player, playing over 600 first-class games. And I know what it's all about when it comes to discipline, mindset, and performance. All right. So I try to take it into my trading here. And I'm telling my students, guys, have 3 great passes each week. Okay. It's a game changer for awareness and control. Okay. So look, there's 3 steps there. Go back over the video again and set these out. Because I think they're really going to help you. They've helped me over the last 20 years. They help my students as well. Don't forget to download that PDF in the description down below, guys, because that's going to help you as well. And if you can get more help as a trader, if you can get more support and direction, I'm sure you're going to go on and do really well. So don't forget, put some comments down below in the comment section here. Let us know whether you overtrade or not, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care.